Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at a Pythagoras theorem problem. Now these problems don't always just give you a nice diagram that's labelled and ask you to find an unknown side. They'll give you more of a problem with using more words. They might not even give you a diagram. But you've got to read them carefully. And number one, draw a diagram. If you're not given a diagram, draw a diagram. Label your diagram and then work out what do they actually want me to find. Don't forget to answer the questions as a third or to one decimal place or to however the question asks. Let's have a look at an example. It says here, a ship sails 80 kilometers south, then 45 kilometers east. How far is it from its starting point correct to one decimal place? Well, first of all, let's deal with 80 kilometers south. Here is the boat. It goes south, which is down 80 kilometers. It then turns and goes 45 kilometers east. Remember your compass? North, south, east, west. Never eat soggy Weet-Bix, however you remember it. That's the compass. And it went 45 kilometers east. So how far is it from the starting point means what is this distance here? This is a right angled triangle. We want to find this length, label it, we're ready to go. After you've sketched around a bit and drawn it, why not draw it extra neat and extra simple over here and label it 80, 45, and x. Let's work out, do we need to find a short side or a hypotenuse? Well, we need to find a hypotenuse. We always label the hypotenuse C, and then our short sides are A and B. So we know Pythagoras for finding the hypotenuse is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C is x, A is 45, B is 80 squared. We have x squared equals 8,425. X will equal the square root of 8,425. So to one decimal place, it's already highlighted there, we get 91.8. Because we would have had 91.78, 7, it keeps going. We want one decimal place, we have to round it up because after the 7 it's an 8, so x equals 91.8. Our distance is kilometers. So make sure you draw, label, even draw it again extra simple, make it as easy and clear as possible. That's it for this video. Well done.